Actually speaking, if we want to have good workers, people come for the brands. Definitely, I say people will come to a good brand and they want to get the work done, but yet they are attached to the people who are working for them. People who are working for them, if they are trained well, if they have soft skills and all kind of skills which he talked about quite a bit, we have talked about that. Until and unless everything is there, I don't think so people will keep coming to you. So that's important. Training is important for retaining as well, but for retaining them, you really have to know what they need and what you need from them. There is a big gap, generally between your staff and the management. There's a big gap, and sometimes staff wants to tell you something, but in between there are so many people and they are not able to reach you, they cannot tell you all the problems which happens. And sometimes what we want to tell them, we want to tell them about the communication skills, we want to train them for other things, and we are not able to tell them about those things. So that gap between both of us, that is very important to bridge that gap. And how to bridge that gap, let me talk about that. The first thing is we can have, nowadays we have a lot of technology. Like we people have cameras. So if you can have cameras in your clinics, in your salons, you can see what the people are doing. We can see their problem. We can see how they are communicating. In between the people which are there, maybe sometimes they are partial and they give us the wrong report about the staff. So if we have cameras, if we use the technology, sometimes people say that, your manager will tell you they don't come in time, they are doing this, they are doing that, they go in between. So if you have thumb impression machines, kind things, you can see what time they come and you can know about your staff very well. So those technology can help you quite a bit to know about your workers. And then you can have some meetings as well. If you have one-to-one meetings with your staff, firstly, I'll say what we do. I can tell you about that. That every day, in the morning, what we do is the first thing to have a meeting with the staff, all the managers who are working there. They take the meeting in the morning, know about the problems, what they have, giving them the right kind of targets and helping them to reach those targets as well. Target is very important to have good business. Without giving targets, it's very difficult to get the business. So if you give some, big targets and not only giving the targets, helping them to reach those targets. We people have, twice a year, we have award functions as well. Like on Diwali or sometime on Holi as well. So we have award functions where we give the awards not to those people who are achieving their targets, but those people as well who are very flexible, who are groomed all the time, best groomed female, best groomed male. Like that, we have almost 23 awards. So that is also one very good way to retain your workers. Then, wishing them for their birthday. Sometime, just few days back, I wished, I personally, I try to wish each and every person, even, the 4th class staff. Few days back, I wished one guy, he's a hairstylist. I wished him in the afternoon only. I wished him happy birthday. And I told him, you must be enjoying today. There are so many people in the clinic. They must have asked you for the party. He said, no, ma'am, nobody knows about my birthday. I said, why? He said, you are the first one who wished me in the morning. In the afternoon only. This is my first wish. So if you wish them on their birthdays, on their anniversary, I think that makes a big difference. Give them some gifts on that day. And, what we do is we have every 31st or 30th, last day of the month, we cut the cake for all the people who had birthday in this month. So that way they are so happy that they can cut the cake along with their colleagues, get the gifts. That's also a very good thing. If we keep all the trained people and good people who can work well, I think industry can grow. Thank you so much.